We're a large manufacturer in a regulated industry that requires traceability. We specialize in high-end electronic circuit boards. We source our components from 12 different suppliers, some in Asia, some in the USA. So you can imagine how important it is that we're able to keep track of every part and component at all times, wherever it is along the supply chain. However, despite our intensive quality control and testing procedures, we recently faced a product recall due to a supply of faulty capacitors. Luckily, thanks to Syspro ERP's traceability and recall capability, we were able to locate and quarantine the affected circuit boards at the touch of a button, all within the mandated recall period. You see, Syspro's built-in lot and serial traceability features afford us full centralized visibility to the origins, build, and sales destination of products. And with Syspro's product recall feature, we were able to take action and resolve the problem quickly and easily, foregoing what would surely have cost us our reputation and more. If you're in manufacturing, I'd recommend you find out more about how Syspro ERP gives you full traceability along every step of your supply chain, so you can trace, isolate, eliminate, and mitigate. Syspro ERP. More than traceable, actionable.